Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on all so you can be up to date with my channel. The second book of Samuel, chapter 8, verses 1 to 18:1. After this, David struck the Philistines and subdued them. And David took the bridle of the mother city out of the hand of the Philistines. 2. He defeated Moab and measured them with the line, making them to lie down on the ground. And he measured 2 lines to put to death, and 1 full line to keep alive. The Moabites became servants to David and brought tribute. 3. David also struck Hadaezer, the son of Rehob, king of Zobah, as he went to recover his dominion at the river. 4. David took from him 1,700 horsemen and 20,000 footmen. David hamstrung the chariot horses, but reserved enough of them for 100 chariots. 5. When the Syrians of Damascus came to help Hadaezer, king of Zobah, David struck 22,000 men of the Syrians. 6. Then David put garrisons in Syria of Damascus, and the Syrians became servants to David and brought tribute. The Lord gave victory to David wherever he went. 7. David took the shields of gold that were on the servants of Hadaezer and brought them to Jerusalem. 8. From Beta and from Marathai, cities of Hadaezer, King David took a great quantity of bronze. 9. When Toi, king of Hamath, heard that David had struck all the army of Hadaezer. 10. Then Toi sent Joram his son to King David to greet him and to bless him, because he had fought against Hadaezer and struck him. For Hadaezer had wars with Toi. Joram brought with him vessels of silver, vessels of gold, and vessels of bronze. 11. King David also dedicated these to the Lord, with the silver and gold that he dedicated of all the nations which he subdued 12 of Syria, of Moab, of the children of Ammon, of the Philistines, of Amalek, and of the plunder of Hadaezer, son of Rehob, king of Zobah. 13. David earned a reputation when he returned from striking down 18,000 men of the Syrians in the valley of Salt. 14. He put garrisons in Edom. Throughout all Edom he put garrisons, and all the Edomites became servants to David. The Lord gave victory to David wherever he went. 15. David reigned over all Israel, and David executed justice and righteousness for all his people. 16. Joab the son of Zeruiah was over the army. Jehoshaphat the son of Ahilud was recorder. 17. Zadok the son of Ahitub and Ahimelech the son of Abiathar were priests. Sariah was scribe. 18. Benaiah the son of Jehoiada was over the Sherethites and the Pelethites. And David's sons were chief ministers. Thank you so much for joining me watching and learning about the second book of Samuel, chapter 8, verses 1 to 18. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.